Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hoover brand dryer and it's giving you an error E7 and you're here because you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of this so I can get my dryer working again. So we're in luck. The E7 error is a pretty common and easy to deal with error because it's an airflow error. The machine is not getting enough airflow, and the reason it's not getting enough airflow 95% of the time is because our filters have not been cleaned out properly. All you need to do is just check the one or more lint filters, lint screens that are on the machine. Make sure they're completely cleaned out, and that should get rid of this error. If it doesn't get rid of the error, then it probably means that there's an electronics error because, like all of these things, it's sensing a problem. It could be, something wrong with the sensor and not actually with the airflow. But at that point, you're going to need to have a professional, and that's much less likely than just simply there actually being an airflow issue that you can remedy at home. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.